Are we ready already? Okay. Ladies, how many times have you thought, I'd love to see the world, but flying makes my feet swell? Or, oh, I'd love to see Paris, but it smells like a giant ashtray. I'd love to go on a safari, but what if a lion ate me in my sleep? Now there's a solution. With Bubbe's VCR vacation, what is it meaning? Oh, VR, oh. With Bubbe's VR vacation, you can see the whole world without leaving the comfort of your home. Here we go. Imagine floating on a gondola in Venice. Oh, I don't know what he's singing, but it's beautiful. Let's glide past the glaciers of Alaska. Oh, they are mountainous. So beautiful. Or go to the Taj Mahal. A man made this palace to show his love for his wife. My husband never even made me lunch.
Wait, what's for lunch?
But beautiful. Don't interrupt me. I'm on vacation.